This video from Casio, we're taking a look at how to use a barcode scanner along with the SE-S3000 register. So this video presumes you've followed our other setup video showing you how to connect the barcode scanner and how to program your barcode products. This is just a final video showing you how to use the scanner in sales operations. So it's fairly straightforward. In reg mode, if you've got Casio assignment set up, you need to be logged in. I haven't, so all I need to do is take my barcode products and scan them. If you're selling multiples, you can do 10 times the barcode and it'll just keep adding for every scan that you make, providing the product is programmed. You can also, if you've got an item that you haven't programmed yet, or non-barcode items, you can sell those either via the PLU button or your department keys as well. Just like any transaction, once you've entered all the items, subtotal, and then it's down to the method of payment. So if you take payment by credit card, you can use one of the CH or CHK buttons, or cash, you can use the cash amount 10 key. If you take a payment by card, it's normally the exact amount that you're processing through the card, so you can simply hit CH. If you take a payment by cash, then it's best practice to enter the exact amount of money without pressing decimal point. The reason being is then the change amount is displayed on screen and also on the receipt, so there's no awkwardness or confusion, or there shouldn't be, when the change is dispensed. Okay, I hope that's cleared things up. If you haven't already set up your scanner, then the videos are appearing on screen now showing you how to set the scanner up and how to program your barcode products onto the machine, so you're welcome to watch those. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.